Harvest time is peak season time. It's the time for high-capacity machinery. The Krone TX self-emptying maize trailer taps into a decade of experience in the manufacturing of forage wagons and utility trailers. Loading higher volumes, unloading at faster rates. The Krone TX is a veritable transport specialist that excels in any type of application. Offering excellent loading, TX has a transport capacity of 46 to 56 cubic meters by DIN standards. TX offers great stability both in the field and when travelling at speed on public roads. On the clamp, it unloads swiftly and is ready for the next haul within no time. Krone TX, a new industry benchmark that boosts productivity and cuts harvest costs. Krone TX, loading higher volumes, unloading at faster rates. TX is an out-and-out specialist. The single-frame concept with a self-supporting floor is a bespoke development for the Krone maize trailers. The design makes the TX lighter in weight and lowers its profile and therefore offers more capacity and payload. The low centre of gravity gives it more stability on the slope and when travelling around bends at speed. The 450mm underbeam clearance, plenty of stanchions and extremely strong trapezoid sheet combine to make the TX a robust and heavy-duty machine. The transparent headboard offers an excellent view of the load space. The sides are arranged to create a load area that widens to the rear. This conical design combines with a steel floor to make unloading a fast and efficient process. Krone TX, technology for the field. The hallmark feature on the TX maize trailer is its sloping floor. This special design increases the machine's overall capacity and improves the tractor's rear-wheel traction in the field. The chains are powered fully mechanically. The heavy-duty 1 1/4 drive chains run inside the frame, are low maintenance and very durable. The two pairs of chains with grippy slats provide an effective crop feed. Each of the 4 high tensile and short linked chains have a brake load of 23 tons. It is on the clamp where TX comes into its own. With the floor advancing by up to 34 meters per minute, TX finishes the job within less than 1 minute. Krone TX, maize trailers that deliver. A novelty in the maize trailer market is the articulated hydraulic drawbar, which is a great boon when the trailer is travelling behind the forager. As the drawbar lowers, the machine offers a larger angle to the forager's chute to target the crop stream for accurate and loss-free filling. Another advantage of the hydraulic drawbar is its high ground clearance on the clamp. The first step in making quality silage is spreading the material in uniform mats on the clamp. Layer by layer, TX 460D and TX 560D unload the material in a uniform mat that provides ideal conditions for the clamping tractors. The two powerful discharge rollers are the perfect match for the high-performance chain and slat floor. TX460D and 560D have two discharge rollers as standard specification. The rollers are driven via the same sprocket that drives the chain and slat floor. The rollers can easily be removed as a single unit when not required. The tailgate opens wide and the two chain and slat floors start advancing at a speed of 34 meters per minute. TX460 and TX560 unload immense volumes of crop extremely fast and smoothly. Courtesy of their extra volume from a sloping floor and of the high-capacity chain and slat floor, the Krone TX460 and TX560 forage wagons are powerful additions to any harvest chain. Krone TX. Save time and money. High-weight equipment takes axles to suit. The TX460 has standard fit tandem axles with hydraulic auto leveling to increase the machine's stability and prevent rolling on the slope and in bends. A hydraulic forced steering system is an option on TX460 with tandem axle and standard specification on the TX560 with tridem axle. As the system acts on the rear wheels, it helps reduce the load on the running gear and optimizes the overall ride at high work rates. The tridem axle on TX560 provides for a 34,000 kilogram gross weight and a 60 km per hour maximum speed. Equipped with hydro-pneumatic suspension, the tridem assembly is geared up to carry the heavy stuff. Safety is our priority. The electronic EBS brake system is an option on all TX maize trailers. The anti-lock braking system applies always the optimum brake force relative to the current load, whilst wheel slip brake control prevents the wheels from locking up. Another EBS feature is the RSS anti-roll system, which ensures the wagon will not flip in narrow bends, but track dependably behind the tractor. Krone TX. Stable in the field and on the road, in any condition. Operating the TX maize trailers is as easy as it can get. It doesn't take any electronics or operator terminals to operate a base specification TX. All it takes are the tractor spools. However, the TX models can also be customized to requirements. Buyers can choose among 3 different terminals: the Krone Delta terminal, the CCI 200 Isobus terminal, or the Tractor's Isobus terminal if available. All Krone terminals offer an uncluttered screen that displays all relevant information. A high specification machine takes the hard work out of any job and gives peace of mind and boosts the overall performance. The Krone maize trailers can be specified with optional covers, which are controlled hydraulically from the tractor seat. Not a single chop is lost, not even when travelling on public roads at speed. The optional punch hole sheet supports the unloading process by pivoting hydraulically when the tailgate opens, thereby pushing the prop wall to the rear in support of the moving chain and slat floor. When the tailgate closes, a spring pulls the sheet wall back into loading position. Foraging at night is a challenge for every operator in the harvest chain. To enhance night vision, Krone offers an extensive light kit as an option. This comprises the bright LED light for the load area, up to 4 LED work lights on the outside and high visible side lights, as well as reflective strips that mark the contours of the machine to make those night shifts safer and less fatiguing. Krone TX, loading higher volumes, unloading at faster rates. TX 460 and TX 560 are uncontested purpose-built specialists. These maize trailers are a powerful addition to any forage chain. TX is the formula for high performance. It is its high capacity and high unloading rate that make TX so efficient. Krone TX, the maize trailer for your success. Developed and built by the specialist for forage wagons and commercial trailers. Krone, the power of green.